Hello, my coloring friends. Do you know what month it is? Do my nails give a hint? Mermay. So I don't always follow the monthly coloring things, although I usually get into February. I skipped it this year, life. However, Mermay is one of my favorites, so I wanted to share my top Mermaid books that I would recommend. Some are PDFs, so you can get them digitally via Etsy. You can also get their hard copies printed from Amazon as well for some of them. So let's make this, let's not draw this out, let's just dive right in. I'm going to start with the ones that I have as PDFs. Now you can get these are pretty much almost all Janna Prosvirina. I ended up taking all of her books that I had printed because they are on Amazon Create Space. I'll leave links though to those printed ones, but I'll also leave links to her Etsy ones, okay? So I went through and replaced them all with PDFs. So this is her Whimsical Darlings. She has a bunch of Darlings series books, and they are these cute, super easy images, really fun. So that's one that I plan to work on for Mermaid Month. And then we have her Mermaids book. So this one is a little bit different, more complicated pages, but they're still very pretty. But yeah, I am actually going to be doing a buddy color, I think, in one of these. So that'll be fun. But again, I'll link to both the hard copy and, no, they're not all Janna Prosvirina. What a liar I am. Because then I have Mystic Art Mirrors. Now you can get these, you can order her printed versions, but if you order them now, you wouldn't get them in time. And I think her Etsy store is still on a break. But I'll leave the links nonetheless. So Mermaids and Friends. This one's pretty cute. And then I also have her Ocean Dreams one. So let me show you that one. But I do want to color some in here. Now some of these I've colored and I've just reprinted them. I also have her Daughters of the Sea book. I just can't find it. Now this is from Mariola Budek. You can get this on her Etsy. This is a really, really cute one. It is her My Little Mermaids, and I think this was one at one time I was gonna like try and finish it. These accidentally printed on printer paper back here. I'm gonna have to redo those, but I definitely want to tackle this book for sure. Okay, so then I have the Big Fantasy Grayscale #2. This is a combo book of several from Molly Harrison, but it has fairies and witches, but most importantly, mermaids. So it is heavy grayscale, but let me see if I can get to some mermaids. They're kind of all scattered throughout. Like, so we've got this lovely gal here. So you kind of have to go searching through this book. Now you could just buy her, ooh, that one would be fun. You could just buy her mermaid book, but this combo book was sent to me as a gift, which was great because then it kind of combined them all for me. But yeah, you'll have mermaids scattered throughout. Yes, you'll have a lot of fairies because fairies are more her jam, but you'll see mermaids here and there. So I'll probably try to tackle a few of the mermaids in here. I also have the PDF version of this book, so I'll definitely be going through that. Now I do have a couple Hannah Lynn, but she does some adorable mermaids. So her Maui Mermaids book, can you guess? A lot of these are going to be mermaids, but not all. There's pirates. But yes, lots of mermaids. So I'm definitely going to color some pages in here. Now, if you want to do like a color along or see a color along, let me know. Or if you want to do a buddy color, let me know. I'm open. Oh, yes, I remember that one. I started the hair and then I hated it. I need to finish it. But, so that's the Maui Mermaids. And then she's got her Mermaid Fairy and Other Girls of Whimsy. So this is a combo book. But there are still tons of adorable mermaids in here. Look at that one. Huh. Already there colored. I think this is the one that also has the Mother's Day mermaid. Let's see. Another mermaid. So you're going to have a lot of mermaids mixed in here. She does have a lot of mermaids. Was it this one? No, because that's not the mermaid one. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be coloring out of this book as well, because it's really, really cute. Oh, here it is. This is the one I was thinking for Mother's Day. It's Mermaid, and all that hair. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'll definitely be coloring that one. But so you'll have a mix in there. And then of course, Enchanted Faces. There are tons of mermaids in here. And look, I think did I color all the hair in all of these already? I think I have. So mermaid, all I gotta do is like pick up and finish them. I had just gone through and like did the hair in all of them. Mermaid. So there's tons of mermaids in here. So yeah, I'll definitely probably tackle one of these mermaids and get these ones done. I have so many copies of this book, and it's funny because if you flip through them, most of them are just hair that I've done. But that's okay. That's also a mermaid. So yeah, it'll be fun to like finish a few of these so it's not just hair. And then also from Hannah Lynn, I already have a buddy color from this one, but this is her Fierce and Fancy Fantasy Grayscale one. Now you can get this book and it's on her the improved Amazon Create Space paper, so it's like nicer paper. So there are some mermaids in here. Like you got that one there. But the mermaid I will be coloring for a buddy color is this one right here. So that'll be fun. She's actually on the cover. Alright, then another one is one of my favorites. This is Daria Sakasoy. This book is Mermaids, so it's her grayscale. It's the third one. This is on the nicer Amazon Create Space paper. So you got tons of mermaids. I need to finish some of these, like give this one a background. But this whole book is all her mermaids. Now you can also go on her Etsy, so I'll leave a link to that, because she usually will put out one for every year, every Mermay year. I just didn't check to see, but there are a ton to tackle in here. And here is one that I need to tackle this year because I have had all of Jasmine Becket-Griffith's books. A few people were kind enough to gift them to me. These are not cheap. So I really want to tackle one of the mermaids this year. Beautiful paper. Her artwork is lovely. She's not as popular, I know, but you know, she has just that kind of style you have to really be into. Now keep in mind, I own other books with mermaids in them. I've got tons of Clara Markova with mermaids, but I am showing you ones that are mostly mermaids and ones I plan to color in, though I may break out some of the ones from other artists as well for the month. May is long, but I wanted to give you an idea of mermaid specific ones you could snag as well. Now this one you cannot get, however, get on eBay. I have found several sellers selling this one brand new. So this is Mermaids in Paradise. It's from Denise Klett. And I definitely want to tackle a mermaid in here this year. I've colored a few. Now these are not as painful as her fairy book, but they are still smaller, but they got the fun birds and huge spaces for backgrounds. So I definitely want to color one in here for this month. But yeah, this is a fun book. If you can snag it, go for it. I'll see if I can find it on Amazon. It does pop up sometimes, but those are my Mermaid books for this year. I would love to know what books you are going to tackle. Do you have Mermaid books picked out? Who's your favorite Mermaid artist? It can be an Etsy one too. You know, digital is fine. Like I said, I took all of my Janna Prosvirinas and put them on the PDFs. I spent like $120 and bought, because I used to have every single one of her books. She's one of my favorite artists. So I went and converted every single one to PDF. So yeah, I will link to both, but you can buy the hard copy, and I'm thinking I might do a little mermaid giveaway because I think it would be fun to color mermaids for live streams all this month. So let me know what you think, and maybe we can play around with some different ones, but definitely know if you want any color alongs in any of these. I'll do my best. I'm back up and running. My color along channel has a color along already on there. So it'll be fun, and I just can't wait because I do love Mermay. Even diamond painting, I'm working on a huge mermaid diamond painting, monstrous, and I want to finish it because another one that I had on pre-order finally showed up, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta do that this month too. So yeah, I would love to know which one is, or which ones are your favorite, whether they're in here or not. And like I said, these are ones that are mermaid specific. I've got so many other books that are just have mermaids hidden in there that I'll still work on. But this gives you a jumping point for my favorite mermaid books for Mermay. So until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.